Today I'm going to show you the big helicopter. It's not small as a food. It is bigger than a food. It is this big. The cyber pointy thing here and this part. It's coming. Whoa! Look how big it is. Like this big, like that. Do you see how big it is? It's bigger. And it's this big. It's so cool. It has 3 fans. See? This part is for it to go fast. Like a jet airplane, but it's a jet helicopter combined it with a boat, because first when it didn't have the 3 fans and the 8 wheels, then what happened next was it looked like a boat. But now, see, this is the Wonderland, and I had the most ideas. My dad had the second, and he helped me to make it because it was so big.